Shouldn't you roll that deodorant on all of your armpit area versus just the middle? Hygiene tip of the day. Yes, you should. It's funny because I was doing a bit of a deep dive on the proper technique for using deodorant right before I did this video. And it turns out there's like multiple different ways depending on the kind of deodorant that you have and use to actually use it properly. I am blown away. Like, if your deodorant is actually an antiperspirant, then it's really important that you actually cover all of your sweat glands when you do it, because the antiperspirant will actually go in and block some of those so that it can prevent you from sweating. But it's really important that you start using that before you actually start sweating so that the antiperspirant actually has a chance to like go in and block those. Also, apparently, more is not merrier with deodorant. And apparently it's better to put on deodorant multiple times throughout the day as you go, as opposed to just like lumping a bunch on at the beginning of the day. If you have something like mine, like I use Native, it's not an antiperspirant, but apparently it is important for you to go like slowly as you apply it, especially if you have armpit hair, so you can make sure that it's actually getting in there. I'll be honest, I did not start my day expecting to do a deep dive on deodorant, but I feel better for it, so thank you.